Okay, this machine have 5 functions. First is the hold hammer, and the second is the scraper, and the third is ultrasound, and the first is the defibrillation function. Okay, first open the machine. For the first function, hot and cold hammer, press this button. Then press the button on the hammer. Wait for a moment. You can feel one part is hot and another part is cold. For the second function, scraper. First, adjust the working time. Normally, if you use it in your face, set to 20 minutes. Then, intensity 2. Press the working button. You can hear the voice and there are vibrations on the metal part. Please don't forget to press these 2 metal parts. You can feel it. Okay, if you don't use it, please don't forget to stop the function. Okay, now the function is stopped.